The ERIC collection is constantly evolving. We regularly approve new sources and re-review existing sources to ensure that they remain a good fit for our collection. Prior to 2024, a source would be re-reviewed if the ERIC team noticed a reduction in the percentage of articles that were considered education research, or if the source moved to a new publisher. Over the past few years, we've seen some of our sources change substantially after they were approved. For example, there are frequently articles that are irrelevant to the journal's aim and scope. There are editorial concerns and dramatic increases in the number of articles per issue. ERIC announced a change to its policy in 2024. We now are going to be systematically re-reviewing every source. We want to make sure that all sources continue to be a good fit for ERIC. Starting with sources approved in 2024, ERIC will re-review them 3 years after the ERIC agreement is signed. All sources will then be re-reviewed every 5 years to ensure they are still a good fit for the collection. To be fair and transparent, ERIC will use a framework of questions in re-reviewing each source. Are all the articles in English and meet ERIC's English quality criteria? Has the source published new content in the past year? Is content provided as expected? Has the volume of content published remained approximately the same? Does the source focus on education in the U.S., or are the research participants in OECD member countries where English is the primary or most used language? Has this journal published IES awardee content within the last 10 years? The ratings on this checklist, along with the source's topic area and geographic coverage, will guide ERIC's decision to continue cataloging the source or determine that it no longer is a good fit for the collection. In addition, we are going to continue our process of re-reviewing a source at any time if it is acquired by a new publisher, changes its scope, changes its name, stops providing current content to ERIC, or dramatically increases its published content. With this policy, we are not seeking any major changes to the collection. We expect the process of re-review will happen automatically, behind the scenes. Publishers and editors do not need to do anything. We expect that most sources will continue to be cataloged in ERIC and will not hear from us as the result of a re-review. If a source is discontinued, the publisher will be notified. The ERIC records and full-text content already in ERIC will remain in the collection. For more information, consult the ERIC selection policy. Currently cataloged sources can be accessed in the journals and non-journals lists.